Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I have a couple more presets to give away. They'll be in the description below. Some more of the creator windows for creators. After you download it, go to Effects, look for SDS Creator Windows V2. One a goes on the top clip, 01B goes on the bottom clip. And then 02A goes on the top clip, 02B goes on the bottom, which I'll have another one. That moves the top clip, which would be you in the window speaking. I'm using this for an example. And drop that one on the bottom. And it puts the whole video in the display. And click on Controls. You can align it, flip it, add a border on both these, and corner radius. And obviously the color. And select the bottom one. You have 4 different options for a background. And they all have animation to them. I have another one here on display. I have another one. I will demonstrate. Now this one will be reversed. Sorry about that. I left one in there. There we go. Now there's just one. And again, you can line yourself up. Like I said, they'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.